everyone, I'm Eileen with Badger Realty, and I'm here with Todd Niemaszyk, the owner-operator of Atlantic Construction Group. Todd, can you tell us a little bit about what's happening here today?
Of course. We're at the base of Cranmore. We're doing the second phase of Kearsarge Brook, and we're in the process of forming out our footings for our foundation walls.
That is so exciting. And what happens after that?
We're going to be pouring in a couple days, and then we're constructing the forms for the walls, and we'll be stripping those, infilling, backfilling, and then we'll be starting the frame.
Very good. It sounds like everything is going according to plan here.
It is, yeah. We're excited to get going on the frame, try to beat the weather, of course.
Yep.
And we'll be probably watertight, I'm hoping by the middle of January.
Awesome. For more updates and information, check out our Facebook page and stop by for a tour.